Okay, I purchased my new toy, the retractable windshield sun visor or sun shield to block the sun. Here in Texas, you're gonna need it. Arizona and places like that. And I use my truck as my office since I do inspection, welding inspection, and I need to block the sun. But it comes with these instructions. It's really simple. And you can really throw these instructions away because it's only three pieces that comes with this. It just says measure the top and bottom of your windshield, and if it's too long, you can cut it to size. Then what you want to do is sit in your driver's seat and measure your window and blah, 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 and go on and on. It's real simple. But you see it rained here in Texas. I don't know what's going on with this weather. It usually don't happen like this. The sun was out all day and then all of a sudden it rained for about an hour. But I'm going to show you what's in the package. It comes from Amazon just like this. And if you want to purchase one of these, just look in the description below and just click the link. It'll take you straight to Amazon to this product. And you can throw that little black piece away. I'm going to just show you why. This right here is going to go on the driver's side. That's the suction. And the long piece is going to go on the passenger side. And I'm going to measure this for you. And right here, and it's hard to film this thing by yourself, but it's 27 and about a quarter. 27 and a quarter inch. That's how long this sun visor, retractable sun visor comes. So, and right there is my window is 27 and a quarter. So it works perfectly for my truck. If you got smaller windows, just cut it to size. And I'm pretty sure this is as big as the window's gonna get right here. This right here is 57, and the length of this comes at 61 inches. So I got 57 right here, so I got another 4 inches available. So we're gonna go in and go ahead and install this. It's real simple. And clean your windshield. You see, I'm doing this without cleaning my windshield, and it's raining, so I'm pretty sure this thing may fall off. So tomorrow, I'm gonna put it on and do it the correct way. I'm just showing you here how to do it. Just put it up to your window, and you just press it on, and it's that simple. And like I said, it's raining and it's still working fine for me. But I'm gonna cut mine's at an angle. I'm gonna show you why. You see that's a 45-degree angle. And you want to make sure the silver part is pointing outside to reflect the sun. So you just cut it. It's easy to cut. It wasn't too easy, but if you got a sharp knife, it'll cut pretty good. See, I cut that about a 45-degree angle. And this side right here should point on the outside of the window to reflect the sun. See, I'm gonna show you why. You see right there, I cut it at that angle so that it just fit in there really nicely instead of being bent up. And this thing don't weigh anything. So for under $20, I think it's worth it. I don't mind purchasing a couple of more for the year for under $20. But you just push that suction in. And like I say, get you some alcohol and stuff and clean your window before you do this. And this side right here is going to go on the driver's side. So you just place it where you want. And you can adjust that really easy. Once you slide it across and see what you need to do, go up or down. Then once you get that installed, you just reach over and you grab this little handle right here, grab that and pull it. And then slide and pull down. And that's it. It's that simple. I like it. For the price, you can't beat it. If it breaks, I'll just purchase me another one. But it'll do great for what I do because I use my truck as my office, and I have to block the sun a lot, especially when I'm working on my computers and doing my reports. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like from the outside. And that's pretty cool. It's pretty slick. And then I'm gonna get back in and I'll make a few more little adjustments. But like I said, if you want to purchase one of these, you can look in the description below or look in the drop down there on your right hand side. It'll be a drop down and it'll take you right to the product. And get you a couple of them because I'll probably get me a couple more for my other vehicles. The sun, it damaged your interior of your vehicle. Especially in Houston, it was like 95 degrees, but the index is probably 106. and it will mess up your leather, whatever material you have in your vehicle. So getting one of these for under $20 is worth it. So you see how it looked from the back seat. And when you pull your sun visors down on it even looked better. Right there where I got my garage door opener up, I could just slide those down to push that screen up a little closer to the window. So I'm gonna get back in. And I know this video is a little long for a simple product like this, but I'm gonna get back in and I'm gonna go ahead and make a little adjustment. And I'm gonna just show you, once you get in here, it looks cool. Like you could take a quick nap with this right here. Just turn on the AC. So to retract it, just pull up. And don't let that thing go. Just slowly bring it across. It got a little pressure on that spring. And it could crack your window if you're not careful. You see I zoomed in on that angle? That's why I cut that at an angle. So you see where I had it at first? I just took that suction off and I brung it back down a little bit because it was touching at the top. And the bottom on the driver's side was a little open. So I'm gonna slide it back and hook it again. And that's it. So go ahead and get you one of these. I got one from the little one from from AutoZone. That thing, you got to fold it up and put it back. It just gets in my way. But this right here, this retractable, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but like I said, for the price, I buy me a couple of more. So I'm gonna take it off, and don't let this thing go. Just take it almost all the way, and then you let it go right there, and it'll snap into place. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.